Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes. Baking delicious cupcakes from scratch is simpler than you think, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, half a cup of softened unsalted butter, half a cup of milk, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Remember to have your butter and eggs at room temperature for the best results, and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's get to mixing our batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a separate larger bowl, beat your softened butter and sugar on medium-high speed for about 5 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Next, add your 2 large eggs one at a time, mixing well after each, then stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Finally, reduce your mixer speed to medium and alternate adding the dry flour mixture in thirds with half a cup of milk, mixing until just combined. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Line a standard 12-cup muffin pan with paper liners. Using an ice cream scoop or spoon, fill each liner about 2/3 full with your cupcake batter. This usually means about 1/4 cup of batter per liner. Place the pan in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 23 minutes. To check if they are done, insert a toothpick into the center of a cupcake. If it comes out clean, they are ready. Let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Once your cupcakes are completely cooled, it's time for the fun part: frosting and decorating. For a simple vanilla buttercream, beat 1 cup of softened unsalted butter until creamy. Gradually add 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing until fully incorporated. Then, add 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, beating until the frosting is light, fluffy, and smooth. You can spread it with a knife or pipe it on for a more decorative touch. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.